Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to discuss these idioms like Puji di thali vich laddu hamesha vada lagna, Ganga gayta Ganga Ram, Jamna gayta Jamna Das, Vendi Ganga vich hath dhona, etc. We all use these idioms in Punjabi in our daily conversations. But you know how to use them in English when you are having conversation in English. So without wasting time, let's discuss these idioms. First idiom is दूजी दी थाली विच लड्डू हमेशा वड्डा लगना. In English, you should say the grass is always greener on the other side. Next idiom is Ganga Gaita Ganga Ram Jamna Gaita Jamna Das. The corresponding idiom in English is when in Rome, do as the Romans do. Next is when the Ganga vich hath dhona. In English, you should say make a hay while the sun shines. Next is Vela Dimag Shaitan Dakar. The corresponding idiom in English is an idle mind is the devil's workshop. Next is Jo Garsde Han O Varsde Ne. In English, you should say barking dog seldom bite. So use these idioms and practice them so that you become even more fluent while communicating in English. So that's it for this session. If you find this video helpful, then please share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching and have a good day.